Yo,
Okay? Decrease me there. What?
don't break
No, leave me alone.
my buddy.
Leave me alone.
Don't
Put me down.
break. You don't break it.
Yes, I stay here because
I
I'm here,
said,
but
don't
this
break
is
with
home.
candy out. Yo, I left my bishop block dirty in the Glock. Glock, just a count, bust stops. Hold on, let me stop. Put a quarter in it, pussy pop. Nigga, pussy pop. Sorry, pussy pop. Pussy poppin', baby, hold the phone. I had a girlfriend looking at me all along. But she gon' pussy poppin', no singing my song. But she gon' tell her little boyfriend like a son. I'm sorry, baby, I don't act like that no more. I am not leaving, I just came right from the store. I'm in the pit with a little hammer like a Thor. I'm sorry if my bro was acting too hardcore. Her pussy poppin' at me, baby, when I'm bored. If I hit it 2 times, baby, thank the Lord. When I close up, I don't know what to put on. I hope his sister miss me, sorry when I'm gone. I left my bitch a block, dirty in the Glock. Glock, just a count, bust stop. Hold on, let me stop. Thought I'm cornered in it. Pussy pop, nigga, pussy pop. Shorty, pussy pop. Hold on, little shorty, where you gone? I just lean that shit, I like me in my zone. I used to call her bitches on her mobile phone. They just love me, baby, something might go wrong. All my exes say they gon' call me tomorrow. I look like you never seen, not at all. You know about him, boy, I met him at the mall. You gotta see Southeast if you ready to brawl. I thought a Glock and might hit you right in your jaw. I'm smoking, move out, please don't sit right in the hall. These Ruger bullets, it might go right through the wall. I hope you fall, going down the steps and all. My sister, baby, forward, not my man at all. I left my bitch a block, dirty in the Glock. Glock, just a count, bust stops. Hold on, let me stop. Put a corner in it. Pussy pop, never pussy pop. Shorty pussy pop. Hello, homie, where you gone? I was outside of Maryland when I'm on. I think my sister fucked it, my best friend and all. I should've left that stupid bitch right at the mall. I'll shoot that bitch right with a dirty Glock and all. I'm starting like my daddy, don't touch me and all. Need to let me smoke her apple cushion all. Niggas call me sleeping, but they did it wrong. I'm saying that niggas took computers like a